Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And so for today's vlog, I'll be featuring another credit card review, and that will be from BDO. Okay, okay. Sorry, I just got excited lang naman. Before we proceed this video, please to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and for more updates, just click the notification bell button and follow my social media accounts on Instagram, Threads, X, and TikTok at RayRayNatex. Again guys, if you don't like my contents like this, just exit this video na lang to avoid receiving some negative comments. At kung gusto nyo pa rin akong i-bash, I would say, get out. You're just wasting your time. Yung mga feeling perfect dyan. So, yun na nga, I have another credit card na naman na i-unbox sa harapan ninyo. It's from BDO. I'm not so sure kung ano yung product na dumating sa akin ngayon. Kasi, I think dalawang BDO na naman yung nagpadala sa akin. One is Visa Signature, and one is the American Express Platinum. So, sabay-sabay na lang din natin i-unbox sa harapan ninyo kung ano yung, kung ano yung card na nakuha ko right now. And then, sa susunod na lang yung video yung, yung another credit card, kung ano man yung product na nakuha ko sa BDO. So, yeah, I got here yung sa pinadala sa akin. Before you proceed this video guys, please do bear with me kasi there would be background noises eh. I don't usually film at day. So usually I film at night talaga kasi yun nga, iniiwasan ko yung mga background noises. So yun, pagpasensyaan nyo na lang ako. At excited kasi ako right now eh. Yun na nga, actually, na-deliver na tong bagong credit card ko sa bahay, sa Pilipinas pa. And then, pinaship na lang to sa akin ng nanay ko dito sa Hawaii. By the way, nasa Hawaii ako right now guys So, ayan. So, let's get started. Yan. And then, this is what I got. Okay. So, so ito yung sinabi, if tampered, please call this hotline na nakalagay dito. And then, dito sa harap naman, ang nakalagay dito yung name ko and then yung address. As usual. Okay. So, wait lang guys. Medyo madikit yung ano nila eh, plastic. Okay, so, naka-stapler. Bayan, this is what I really hate. Yung mga yung mga naka-staple. Wait lang guys Yan. Okay, so, eto. And then, I'll try to open this part. Kung hindi siya, sige na nga, guguntingin ko na nga lang. Yan. And then, yes! Okay, so, sabay-sabay natin tignan. Okay, so I got an American Express Platinum. So, wait lang. Okay, so, wait lang guys So, ito siya, American Express Platinum. Ayan. So, hindi ko na lang i-explain sa inyo. All you have to do is to read this na lang. Kung ano yung mga features and benefits nito. So, ito. Ayan guys. Pause nyo na lang for a moment para mabasa nyo. Ayan. Pause nyo na lang. Okay, so, yeah, just give me for a moment na, para maayos ko to. Wait lang, i-pause ko muna. Okay guys, so balik na tayo sa video. So, eto na nga siya. American Express Platinum Credit Card. So, ayan. So, basically, I had American Express na ano din, Platinum card din dito sa US. Pero magkaiba po sila. Kasi ito po yung aking US credit card po. Wait lang. Let me just fix this lang. Ito yung US credit card ko. Ayan. Tapos bakal din siya. Unlike ito, yung American Express, itong American Express na credit card ko is Philippine credit card. And then it's made of plastic. So, ayan. Pero dual currency naman din siya. It's in Philippine peso and US dollar. So, ayan. So, ito yung ano ko, credit card ko sa Pinas from BDO. And then, ito naman yung American Express ko dito sa US. So, ayan. Yan. O, diba? Okay, so, by the way, yung credit limit na binigay nila sa akin, it's 500,000 pesos. So, grabe, puro 500,000 pesos yung inaano nila. Binibigay nila sa akin, sa BPI, sa Security Bank, sa ano pang credit card ko na ano, sa Metrobank din. Wait lang. Ayan guys, oh. Wait lang, sorry. 500k. Yan. Okay, so basically all I have to do is to activate this credit card and sign the back of this card na rin. Okay. Yun lang. I think nothing so special to talk about this card, but thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video na lang para dun sa Visa signature, and peace.